Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today, it's been a while since I've had a Stitchfix unboxing for you. If you guys don't know about Stitchfix, click on my referral link below. You'll get $25 and I'll get $25 so I can keep doing these videos. It's a $20 styling fee. I do have a style pass, so I do not have to pay that styling fee. I did a one-time payment of like $49, I think it was. But yeah, so let's get into it. So what you get is your bundle, which is my bundles. Looks like there's some striped in the back. There's some red and white. Oh, something really soft. And then some jeans, looks like. And then you get your price sheet here, and mine has the sticker on it. So this is your price sheet, and this is my 39th fix. And your style card, which is here. And this is my letter from my stylist. So these are the items that I received, and then you get return labeled bag to send anything back that you don't want. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna read you guys my style card. My stylist is Nikki. She's been that for a while. So it's, hi Kristen, I hope you had a relaxing holiday season and now you're ready to kick off the new year with some fun new pieces to keep you looking your absolute best. You've recently pinned the light gray pink clover front pocket brushed knit top with floral print sleeves and the market and spruce striped hooded dolman knit top on your Pinterest board. So I thought you would enjoy them for casual wear. You've also pinned these Pistola distressed ankle skinny jeans. Dress them up with the navy West Key roll tab high low blouse, which is very similar in style to some of your pinned tops at the board. I also spotted the Burgundy Madison and Lily turtleneck pullover pinned on your board. Do you have any other style resolutions that we can help you conquer in the new year? Be sure to let us know in your request note, XOXO Nikki. So I'm super excited. So let's get into the bundle. Okay, so here we go. My first time opening it. So let's see what we have. So here we go. All right, so the first top is this navy and white striped. It was the high-low top that she was talking about. Let me move back a little bit. So it looks like it has a crisscross here and it gathers, and it does have a pin here, so it won't open up. It looks like it's 3/4 length sleeve and with some buttons on the side. So that's really cute. It is a little see-through, but that's okay. I'm looking for a type of tops like this for my work trips. So this is the West Key Allen roll tab high-low blouse in navy, and it's a size extra small. So let's see, that's great. I'll do prices at the end after I try everything on. Okay, so the next item, this item is really soft. See here, oh, this was the dolman top that she was talking about with the hood. So this is another like navy and white top. There's the pattern on it. It's really nice. It's kind of long, so that's awesome. It has the dolman sleeves, and then you have your hood in the back. And this is the Market and Spruce Carlotta hooded dolman knit top in navy in a size extra small. Okay, so the next item here is the sweater that she was talking about, which is really cute. I have a, it is a cardigan that's exactly like this. So this is really cute. It looks like it's a bigger like neckline, floppier sweater top, and move it a little closer, and there's your like colors, which is a burgundy and white, and it's kind of mid-length, so it's nice. This is the Madison Lily Dartmouth turtleneck pullover in burgundy, and it's a size extra small. All right, and the next one is the top that she was talking about. Here we go. So here it's gray, like sweatshirt, but it's really thin and super soft. And it's got these pretty flowers on the sleeves, which I really, really like a lot. So this is your design. Really cute. It's on both, it's only on the sleeves. It looks like it has a front pocket, which is really nice. Super comfortable and cozy. It's a little thin though. So this is the Pink Clover Poppy Front Pocket Brush Knit Top in light gray and a size extra small. All right, and the last item is these Pistola jeans, which I've never owned a pair of Pistola jeans. These feel really soft. They have some distressing on them, and it's not too much. It's something I can wear for work. There's nothing on the back, so that's nice. And these ones have a zipper on the ankle here. So let's see. So yeah, you can make them a little bit wider and or not. I mean, I own pants that have those, but they're black. And these are nice. They look a little bit bigger, but we'll try them on and see. So this is the Pistola Tory Distressed Ankle Skinny Jean in indigo in a size 0. Okay, so that's everything. So what I'm gonna do is throw the jeans on, and then I will try on all the tops with the jeans. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so here is the top. It has a stitch right here, so it won't come open. And then this kind of opens up here. It's got a high, low in the back. I mean, it's cute. It's super lightweight. It has a little stretch right here, so it is comfortable. It does have some buttons on the sleeves here, and you can fold it if you want, or leave it down low. But this is the top. It is really nice, comfortable. I do like it with the jeans, so I do have the jeans on. I've never owned a pair of these, and they're super comfortable. So here they are. They have a little bit of distressing here, and they sit up higher. They're comfortable. And then on the ankle, they have this, so that's cool too. I'm not sure though about the jeans. We'll see. They are super cozy and comfortable, but they probably are expensive. So let me know what your thoughts are. Okay guys, so here is the top. It's cute. I like the print on it. I like that it has some pockets here. It's dolman, so you can see the sleeves. This one's a little twisted. So here's the dolman. It's a little baggy here. It does have the hood in the back. I'm not too crazy about the hood. The print's really cute and nice. It's super soft. Let me get up close so you guys can see the print. But yeah, I mean, here it is. It's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so here is the sweater. It's cute. I don't know, the neck here is just different. Here's the material. It's kind of a little scratchy on me. The sleeves are long. If this was a little bit longer, I think I would have liked it a little bit better. But I do own something similar, so I'm not sure about this one. But yeah, here it is. I mean, it's cute, but I'm not like wowed by it. So I'm not sure. Okay, so here is the last top. It is super, super soft. I love the little designs on here. These strings are really long, but they're cute. It has pockets. It fits really nice. I'm not sure what to keep. If anything in this box, guys, let me know. Look at the cute. I just like the print on these, really cute. Just let me know what you guys think. So I'm not sure what to keep. All right, I'll be back with my final review and we can go over prices. All right, guys, so I'm back. I have the price sheets and, all right, so first item here is this top, which is the pink clover top. Super soft. I liked the designs, the flowers. It is $44. I don't know if I'm $44 in love with it. I mean, it's really cute. I'll have to look at the video and it on and see if I really like it. Next are the Stitchfix exclusive, the Pistola jeans. I don't know. I mean, they're super soft, but I don't know if $88 worth. So we shall see. Let me get, if I can size down on them, then maybe, but I don't know about $88. This top here, which is the Madison Lily Burgundy top, $44. I'm good. I already have a cardigan like this, so I'm gonna pass on that. The dolman top with the hood. It was cute, but it wasn't really flattering. I don't really care for the hood on it. Let's see, this is Market and Spruce, $58. That's a little high for this, so I'm gonna pass on this. And the last top here, which was the high-low navy and white top by West Key. That one was $42. So this box was a little bit pricey. Total was $276, buy all 5 discount, $69. Total is $207. So let me know, guys, down in the comments what you think. I was kind of a little with the box. The only thing I really liked was the shirt with the flowers on the sleeves. So your guys' opinion means a lot to me. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.